We are Barb and Terry O'Neill. Join us as we spend our retirement exploring the world. The Mikazuki Resort will be our fourth accommodation of this trip. It's located at the north end of Da Nang on the Da Nang Bay. It's a sprawling Japanese resort with many amenities. Mikazuki is not an all-inclusive resort, though it did include the breakfast buffet and a free minibar in your room. This is Mikazuki 365, a huge indoor water park. We did not use it, but we saw many families that did. You don't need to be a guest at the resort to use the water park. Anyone can buy a day pass. There's also a Japanese onsen. This is a series of mineral spring baths with a variety of minerals imported from Japan. This is the outdoor water park, which doesn't require a ticket if you're a guest at the hotel, and it includes a lazy river, which we did try out. We had the river all to ourselves, other than a pair of kayakers that went by. There's a rooftop infinity pool on the 22nd floor. This reminded us of the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. The resort did not seem too busy. The only time we saw many people was at the breakfast buffet. And there are 2 hot tubs on the rooftop. You can catch a complimentary shuttle over to Nami Beach Club. Here's the poolside bar.
Hello.
We chose one of these cabana beds. I had a Sapporo Draft. Barb had a hibiscus lime iced tea. The beach club has a fabulous location with ocean access. We stayed at the beach club until dark and had dinner there. I'll show you more on that in the food section. This is the 4th floor at the Mikazuki Resort. This reflecting pool is just in front of the lobby. The lobby is decorated with numerous Japanese artifacts. This is a dedication to a famous sumo wrestler. The lobby is very impressive. Now we'll do a tour of our room. There's a large walk-in closet. And we have the largest bed we've ever seen. Here Barb is demonstrating. This is the nightly room rate, and it did include the breakfast buffet and beer and soda in your minibar. The balcony overlooks the water park and the ocean. Every room in the hotel faces the ocean. There's also a large outdoor bathtub on the balcony. Barb used it every night. We've got double sinks and a huge shower. This is our Japanese toilet and the control panel on the wall. There are several dining options at the resort. Our first night we ate in the Blue restaurant. Do you see the vase on the table? Barb noticed that the tag had my initials. After the fresh spring rolls, we shared a pad thai and a beef stir fry with rice. I've sped up the buffet tour by 3 times to make it a little less painful for you. I would say that this was our most impressive buffet that we had experienced so far on this trip. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. Here is a bread pudding and another chocolate fountain. Here we have an assortment of salads, and there's some sushi. This counter had beef and chicken pho and an egg station. This is a banh mi cart, and on this counter there's various cheeses, cold cuts, and fresh fruit. The fruit on this trip has been very tasty. Here you see the beverage station with tea, various coffees including Vietnamese iced coffee, juices, and even a dragon fruit smoothie. Barb tends to favor traditional Western breakfast items, and I go more for the Asian items. Our second night we had dinner at the Keran restaurant, which is a Japanese hot pot experience. This is similar to a broth fondue. The pot is separated so you can have 2 different broths, and you get unlimited beef, pork, chicken, and sides. From our table we had a view of the evening light and fountain show. It's kind of like a mini Bellagio experience. Our third night we ate at the Beach Club. We had spring rolls by the pool. I had a Wagyu cheeseburger and Barb had fish and chips. Barb commented on how much she liked the pattern of the carpet in the hallway, so I had to include a picture here. We had a very positive experience at the Mikazuki Resort. In a way, you are a bit of a captive because the resort is not close to many other Da Nang attractions, but we didn't mind. We enjoyed our 3 days and had plenty to do. Families with children would really enjoy it with the water park. Now we're on our way to our next Da Nang stop. We'll be staying at the M Hotel for 10 days, which will take us through the Tet holidays. Thanks for watching.